Happy day, Blake. Some things in life are better separated. Can you tell us how to separate PDFs and TIFFs in OnBase?
Of course, let me go ahead and share my screen. Today we are going to talk about separating PDFs and TIFFs within OnBase. PDFs and documents assigned the default image file format or a custom file type based off an image file type can be separated into multiple documents using the document separation layout. In addition to separating documents, you may also drag pages between documents, copy pages within documents, or pin documents together in the document separation window. A few important things to note before we begin. First, to utilize document separation, you must be licensed for PDF Framework. Second, sending password-protected PDF documents to document separation is not supported. And third, this will require a few privileges to be assigned to the user group performing the document separation. These privileges are the Advanced Document Splitter client-based product privilege, as well as the Separate privilege. Returning to the Unity client, images and PDFs can be sent to document separation in a few ways. You can right-click the document in Document Retrieval and hit Send to Document Separation. You can also navigate within the document itself by using the Send to here and going to Document Separation, or by going to the Image tab and selecting Edit Pages. Once we have the document separation page open, we can begin to separate out our documents. Depending on our display mode, shown on the ribbon by the Group by Document button, we can do different things. In this document display mode, we can create and edit documents when clicking and dragging pages. When in the page display mode or tree display mode, we can only edit existing documents. For separating out pages to become a new document, we will remain in the document display mode. With this document having multiple documents, we can go ahead and select one of the pages that we would like to start as the new first page. If we click and drag to the empty space in the separation window, it will create a new document, which is signified by the red line that appeared. This new document must be indexed after you finish making your changes. Clicking and dragging and releasing create that new document. Another way to do this separation is by using the split button. We first select a page within our existing document that will become the new first page for our new document. Here, we can then go to hit split and click split again, and now we've created a new document with that as our first page. Similarly, if you hover in between pages, you will see a scissor icon appear. Selecting this will also split out those documents. Splitting the document has a few additional options. We can use it to break documents completely apart by every page, every other page, every 3 pages, or a custom option. To do so, we will select the document itself by using that check mark, and then select split once more, and this time, instead of the split button, we'll hit break into documents. In this case, since we have a smaller document, we can only go by every page, or custom. By selecting every page, it will cut up every page individually. It is also worth noting that besides separating out documents, if you ever need to add anything in, you can do that as well. If we do this, we can select our document that we want to add to, and then we can hit Browse. By selecting one of the documents we'd like to add, in this case, a welcome image, we just go ahead and open that. You can see that it's now added onto this document. With that, it will add that new file to our existing document that we've been working on, and it will be saved out once we've ended our document separation session. That is how you separate PDFs and TIFFs within OnBase utilizing document separation.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. If you have a question that you would like answered on an upcoming question corner, please leave a comment below.